Bucher Municipal is the leading supplier of municipal equipment. Since the beginning, we have been driven to help you in keeping traffic areas clean and safe with the widest product portfolio in the industry. From sweepers and winter maintenance to refuse collection and sewer cleaning vehicles. With research and development centres all over the world, we are committed to discover today what you will need tomorrow. We develop smart, future-proof solutions to help you stay ahead, like pioneering fully electrified vehicles that lead the way in sustainability and efficiency. Our equipment is built in-house. We have complete control of the production process, from the first idea to the tightening of the last screw. This way, you can rest assured that every piece of equipment has passed a strict quality control before leaving our factory. Let's look at the portfolio in detail. Our compact sweepers and washers set the standard for zero-emission performance, fuel efficiency, and low noise. With ergonomic design and exceptional maneuverability, they make cleaning effortless even in the tightest urban spaces. The wide range of models and options make our truck-mounted sweepers the preferred partner for both municipal and heavy-duty applications. On even the most demanding jobs, our range of heavy-duty specialized truck-mounted sweepers continues to impress. They are tailored for the most complex cleaning demands of contractors and airports worldwide. In Australia, we produce a wide range of solutions to manage waste in safer, more intelligent ways. Side, front and rear loader refuse vehicles and a complete range of bulk waste compaction equipment. We now also produce a complete range of vacuum and jetting products. Our long list of innovations and an industry-leading after-sales service have made us #1 in Australia. Our sewer cleaning vehicles are found all over the world, working in the most extreme conditions. Tailored to local requirements, our complete range of models and options include jetting, vacuum, combination, and water recycling units in both diesel and electric versions. From small to heavy-duty snowplows and blowers, advanced spreading systems for dry and pre-wetted materials, all the way to high-performance airport de-icing equipment, our solutions are built to perform when winter hits hardest. We help you turn snow days into safe days, keeping roads, city streets and airports clear of snow and ice. Bucher Connect is our digital, all-inclusive service and after-sales solution. It enables you to optimize vehicle efficiency while minimizing downtime and costs. Winter maintenance operations are enhanced by Bucher Assist, connecting fleets through one smart platform. From the office to the cab, real-time information helps you monitor, plan and optimize spreading operations with precision in every condition. Every minute off the road is a minute lost, and as your partner, we're here to make sure you make the most of every single one. Through our efficient after-sales and spare parts operations, we guarantee timely and reliable support and spare parts deliveries. Our in-house training helps you maximize efficiency, safety, and cost-effectiveness of your equipment. Advice and support is always nearby. Our competence centres and network of sales and service partners provide local expertise around the world. At Bucher Municipal, we are aware of our responsibility to society and the environment. That is why we are driven to innovate and engineer new and better solutions. Driven to help you achieve more by using less. Driven by the possibilities of a better, more sustainable tomorrow. We are Bucher Municipal, driven by better.